For years, you've been told a lie, a myth that keeps small creators stuck, waiting, and hoping that someday they'll hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours and finally start making money online. But what if I told you that's completely false? Right now, thousands of creators are monetizing their content without using the YouTube Partner Program or worrying about ad revenue. Now, these creators are making more than some monetized YouTube gaming channels. And their secret is they don't rely on ad revenue at all. Instead, they use a system I call the hidden creator method, a step-by-step way to make money with your YouTube channel from day one. And here's the crazy part. While everyone's fighting for pennies from the YouTube ad revenue, these creators are quietly making thousands of dollars every single month without worrying about YouTube's random and vast rules. And today, I'll break down exactly how they're doing it, and why YouTube's partner program is the least important way to make money online. And stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to turn your Faceless gaming channel into a real business, all without waiting for YouTube to pay you. Hi, my name is Alston Godbolt, and I teach platform-proof monetization. I show you step-by-step how to make money online without social media platforms or random and unpredictable algorithms. In this video, I am going to reveal 6 proven methods that show you how you can make money online from day one with your brand new gaming YouTube channel. Method number 1 is affiliate marketing. Now, you might have heard of affiliate marketing before, and you're probably misinformed. Affiliate marketing isn't buying a course to sell a course or just promoting random courses. It's actually promoting products and services that your fellow gamers will need and find useful. Now, the great thing with affiliate marketing is that you can start getting paid from day one. You don't need to have 1,000 followers. Hell, you don't even need to have 20 followers to start making money with affiliate marketing. And the great thing with affiliate marketing is that there are a few ways to go about it. The first and most straightforward way is to create product review videos on gaming products like this headset. You simply create videos talking about the features, the benefits, unboxing videos, all talking about the products that you know and love, and fellow gamers will click on your affiliate links and buy. Let's say, for example, you're playing Call of Duty and you use a specialized controller. You can simply recommend that while you're playing your Call of Duty video, and a portion of your fan base will click on those affiliate links and buy. And here's how you can get started with affiliate marketing step by step. First, you sign up for gaming related affiliate programs. Now, there are over 11,000 affiliate programs out there. Most people are aware of Amazon and their affiliate program, but there are tons of other ones. For example, Razer, Alienware, Nvidia, and even Logitech all have affiliate programs where they'll pay you for recommending their products and services. Now, if you're looking for gaming affiliate programs, simply head on over to Google and type in gaming affiliate programs in the current year, and you'll see that there's a list of 20, 30, and even 40 different gaming affiliate programs that you could join and be a part of. Now, the best part is you can join all of these at the same time. Once you apply to these different affiliate programs and you're accepted, you're simply going to put your affiliate links in the description of your video. You can also include your affiliate links in the pinned comment, and make sure you add a call to action for people to click on your affiliate links to learn more about the products and services that you recommend. One great video that you could make is a gaming setup video. In that video, you could recommend the camera that you use, the microphone, the headset, Xbox or PlayStation, and all of the other equipment and peripherals that you use, and earn commissions from that video. Now, I have a ton of videos that talk exclusively about affiliate marketing. If you want to learn about affiliate marketing, comment affiliate marketing down below, and I'll point you to the right video to help lay everything out for you step by step. Now, you might be thinking, affiliate marketing sounds great, but what if I want something that potentially could bring in more money? Well, method number 2 is simply creating and selling digital products. A digital product is literally anything that's created on your computer and sold over the internet. The great thing about digital products is you create it once and you can sell it 1,000,000 times. Here are a few examples of digital products that you could create for your audience. You could create simple how-to guides. These are PDFs that you sell to your target audience. You could sell checklists. You could even create video tutorials teaching people how to speed run your favorite video game. You could even create overlay packs and stream graphics. Another great option are gaming video templates and thumbnails, or you could even sell AI-generated game voice packs. Now, the great thing about this is that you create a simple digital product like a PDF, sell it for $10, and then you can sell more things to that same customer again and again and again. Think about it like this. If you created a digital product and you sold it for $10, If you sold that to 10 people, that's $100. And most likely, you have a game that you enjoy playing. People are going to come to you because they don't know how to play that game. They want to learn from the best, which is you. And so if you sell them a digital product that'll help them achieve a result or in their pain point, they'll buy from you. Now, if you want something even easier, think about creating an online gaming community. Method number 3 are creating memberships and online gaming communities. The great thing about this option is that you could generate reoccurring income from loyal fans and subscribers. So here's what you're going to do step by step. You're going to create an online community. This could be on Discord, Patreon, or even Gbolt systems. Here, you are going to offer your community exclusive access, tutorials, workshops, or anything else that will help them achieve a result faster and easier. You could also do something like members-only tournaments and exclusive Q&A sessions. Part of the reason why people will pay you is the exclusivity. They will have exclusive access to you that they can't find anywhere else. Also, they see you as the expert in the game that you enjoy playing. So if you offer advice, you teach them how to do something faster or easier, and they will pay you for it month after month. Now, what you could do is you could start by creating a community for just $5 per month. If you had 200 people join this community, that's $1,000 per month, every single month. And if you reduce the churn rate and keep adding people, monthly recurring revenue can grow to $2,000, $3,000, even $10,000 per month. Now, this next method will pay you just to play games. And the best part is, you don't even have to stream to do it. Method number 4 are sponsorships and brand deals. Now, the great thing with sponsorships and brand deals is that you can get paid up front for simply creating gaming tutorials that you would create anyway. Now, the way that this works is that you are going to partner with a brand of any size. They are going to pay you for a few different things. One, they're going to pay you to mention their name and recommend a product or service that they're offering. Number 2, they're going to make a suggestion on the type of video that they want to be sponsored in. So it's a win-win for you. You get paid for a video that you are going to make, and you don't have to come up with an original idea for your next content or next piece of video. And there's a few ways that you can partner with brands and sponsors. One, you can reach out to them directly. Let's say you want to work with NVIDIA. You could reach out to various departments to see if they're willing to work with you, or you can go find different sponsorship marketplaces. For example, you could use FameBit by YouTube, Upfluence, or even channel pages. And once you find a brand that wants to work with you, you can offer 3 different services. You can offer in-video shoutouts, you can do game reviews and tutorials. So let's say they've got a brand new game coming out, you could simply do a review or tutorial on how to execute or level up. Or you could simply do a dedicated sponsored video. Now, the great thing with this is that you can find sponsorships and brand deals with as little as 1,000 followers. All you need is a dedicated tribe of people that are watching and consuming your content and active engagement. Now, sponsorships will range based on the popularity of the game and your engagement within your community, but you could make anywhere from $500 to thousands of dollars per sponsorship and brand deal. Now, let's go ahead and talk about a method that will pay you passively, even if you're not uploading. Method number 5 is simply repurposing your YouTube content to other platforms. As the name implies, you're simply just going to repurpose your current YouTube videos on other platforms like TikTok, Reddit, and even Facebook. So here's what you're going to do step by step. You're going to upload your full-length videos over to YouTube. Then you can use a few different AI softwares, Opus Clips and Repurpose.io, to automatically have your videos chopped and spread across the entire internet. For example, when I upload my videos to YouTube, I import them over to Opus Pro, and then they automatically get uploaded into TikTok. Once a scheduled video goes live into TikTok, that video is then grabbed from Repurpose.io and then uploaded to Facebook, Threads, Instagram, YouTube, and a few other places. In addition, you can monetize your full-length videos over on Facebook, and you can join the Twitch affiliate program. The great thing about this is that you can make one video, and that video could turn into 20, 30, 40, or even 50 pieces of content without you having to do too much extra work. And now I'm going to reveal method number 6, which is completely underrated and nobody tells you this. What you could do is you could actually create a niche website for passive income. Here, you're going to get paid for gaming content outside of YouTube. So what you're going to do is you're going to create a simple blog using WordPress. If you've never created a blog before, check out the below video and I'll show you how to start a blog step by step. Here you can write about trending games, strategy, or even gaming news. And then you can monetize in all of the ways that we talked about. You can use affiliate marketing, Google display ads, sponsorships, brand deals, and even sell your digital product. Now, if you want to know step by step how you can monetize your YouTube and TikTok account without having to worry about the YouTube Partner Program, check out my new book, Platform Proof Profits, where I show you step by step how to monetize with all of the ways that we've mentioned in this video and more. This book reveals how you can earn your first $100 and then eventually scale to $1,000 or more per month with your content without having to worry about ad revenue and being beholden to the algorithms and the random terms of service that YouTube and TikTok enforce. Click on the first link in the description to learn more about Platform Proof Profits. Also, watch this video next if you want to learn how to monetize your TikTok account.